In 1879, a small village in India faced a locust invasion. Crops were vanishing, and famine loomed. Villagers prayed for a miracle. Then an army of ants appeared, devouring the locusts. These tiny warriors saved the harvest, showcasing nature's balance. Ants, often overlooked, play a crucial role in pest control. They protect crops, ensuring food security. This event taught the villagers to respect and preserve their ecosystem. What if we embraced nature's solutions more often? To support us, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's explore more wonders of nature together.